what we want to do today before lunch is we're going to set up, just talk about lean in general. Right? Just some of the lean principles that are out there, and we'll talk about those. And then we're going to get to build airplanes. All right, so we'll have 3 production runs, and Francis will lead that, and we'll go through 4 rounds of a simulation. Somewhere we should be breaking for lunch. I don't know if we're going to finish the simulation before lunch, or we'll see where we are on that. But once we do the simulation, we'll finish up the lean principles, and then we'll end the day starting about the accounting implications of what we just saw, what we've talked about. And that will set up the next 2 days for us. Day 2, we'll get into value stream costing, which is critically important with this. And then how we can make decisions in a lean environment, right? Making better decisions using the right information. My favorite part, lunch, again. And then we're going to end it in day 2, looking at a couple of items, a couple of costing. One, target costing for the product development phase of the product life cycle. And then we're going to talk about time-driven activity-based costing. I'll spend some time there on if we need to measure a product cost, how we can go about doing that maybe in a very simplistic and powerful way. We'll talk about this time-driven activity-based costing. And then the last day, kind of start with some scorecard, and we'll get into some of the planning issues. Performance measurements, which is a huge critical issue in lean accounting, especially on the front end, setting that up correctly and making sure we have the right measures in place. Then after lunch, we'll actually have the assessment and how we can assess our lean performance measurement, and then we'll end with what we can implement, right? Some implementation strategies that you guys can go forth with. And then we're done. And we'll have a great time. It'll be jam-packed with a